Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and make sure your display's on. And then from here, we can access through a couple ways, but we'll try through the phone. And then here it's going to start searching for paired device. And then we can use these buttons here. So we want to add, since we haven't connected yet for this phone.
Search for sync on
So
the
now
device.
it's trying to go pairing.
Sync once it is found.
So make sure your Bluetooth's on, which this is, and then if you push and hold often, that'll bring up your pairing menu. So here, now that we're in the pairing menu, we're going to watch for when a pop-up that makes sense. Sync, in this case, is what we're looking for. Sometimes this might take a few tries.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on
and
your device.
It does match these random numbers. So I hit pair, and then up here, we're going to confirm as well. And then we should be set. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first before you can add new phones. But it says we were successful. So now you should be able to take phone calls. Often you can listen to music as well.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So once you're connected to, it's going to want to sync phone books, things like that. You can make it the favorite as well, so it'll try to auto-connect to your phone every time you start the car. So you can hit yes or no, that would be yes. I hit no in this case. And then if you want to connect your phone book, just makes it a little easier for taking calls. And then, yeah, like I said, you can take calls. If you go through like your media or aux options, sometimes that'll get you to Bluetooth audio as well if you're having issues playing music. And then if you are trying to play music, which it is right now, double check too that your volume's on if you're having issues, and the volume on your phone or device has volume on as well. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.